this one here, I'm going to have to cut it, so I'll just stick it out a little bit, just tiny bit, to make sure I've got everything. And I'll cut it about there. And what I need to make something that goes on top, something that goes on for the rod to go in there, and I'll put a slit in there. So I'm going to make that now. I'll probably show you better than I can explain. Just going to make this smooth, and I'll drill a hole in there. Then I'll cut it off. That's it. So drill the hole in there, this to go through there, or the other side, should I say, that side, and cut this off. I'm going to slice this. I'm going to slice this in half. I've cut and filed this down, guys. So this end will go into this end here. I'll cut this down a minute, and the other end, this end, will go in there like that. I gotta get the right length and drill a hole. So guys, I've drilled a hole. I made this bigger, and I'm just gonna bring it out slightly there, like that, and that should be about right in theory. So that's what I'm gonna do. Start again. So I'll put this in here. As you can see, this is the top end of it, like that. If I turn it around, it's the bottom end, right? So I'm going to determine whereabouts I need to cut this piece here in order to just get it there. Okay guys, so the way I did this is I pushed this as far as that way it can go, and this is right up against this one, so you can't go any further like that. That's as far as this can go. And then what I did, I blew inside there, and on the other cylinder down there, I felt the air coming out. So then I pushed this right around here like this, and push this right against that one. So it's right at the bottom of this now, and I blew there and no air is coming out, which is about right. So that's right. So that's it guys. Works nicely. You can see it in and out. I'm just taking this apart so it's a bit loose. Otherwise. So this piston, guys, I'm drilling a hole there to put this thread in there, the M4 thread, and see how that goes. So guys, I've done this. I had a problem fitting it into there, so I had to use a bit of emery cloth. Finally got this going in there, so that's fine in theory. See if it works. Guys, I'm making another one of these for this side. Okay. cut it off now. I'm just smoothing the back end of that. Okay guys, so I've done it, drilled a hole and all that business. So I'm going to slit this and put a hole through there. I'm going to do it off camera. So guys, this is it now. So I'll put that on there, I've drilled a hole there. All I got to do is make a little plate right distant for this to move now. But that's about as far as it's going to go, which is fine. About there. There. It's fine with me. But it's only got to move a small distance like this. Maybe there to there.